Hi, my name is Divine, and I'm a 5th grader, and this is our brain path. Come on, let's go check it out. So first we have, how do our brains take in the world? What do you see? This one is about sight. Here we're talking about touching. This is about hearing. These are our 2 ears. Let me show you a magic trick. It lights up when you clap. This is taste, and there's a big tongue over there. So this is smell. We have a big nose for it. These are our 5 senses: smell, taste, touch, hear, and sight. Thanks for taking a tour of our brain path.